welcome to another yet episode from Buenos Aires. And today I'm with my friend Josh from Germany, which I met just yesterday. We had a pretty nice tour around actually the same place where we're working right now. It's like American style of Buenos Aires, the main high street. Today in this video we will visit top 4 the best pizzerias in Buenos Aires. As you might know, if you checked some information about Buenos Aires, about Argentina, it's influenced by Italians and Spanish. And in regards to food, same. Pizza is one of the main dishes of Argentinians. So let's try the best ones. The best ones will be Guerin, Las Cartetas, El Emeralda, and Banchero. And we're starting with Guerin, which is the most popular place in Buenos Aires. 100,000 reviews in Google, which is crazy. It's mental. Have you ever seen a place with 100,000 reviews? That's mental. So good, but let's go inside and let's go. But I think so I don't need to take off the diffuser. So as I understand how it works here, those people, they wait for the table. We don't need a table. And I think so this is the line to order. Do you even know what to order? Do you even know what to order?
No, I have
the same. They make empanadas out there. You see? They do empanadas.
¿La fuga seca no?
¿Perdón?
¿La fuga seca no?
No, not for the rest.
That's how they chop it, huh?
Yeah. We should ask if you can go a little bit inside and see how they cook pizzas, but like I don't have so many subscribers. According to 100,000 reviews, it's top 1. According to Hernan as well, I think so. Like he said, like there is no top 1, like top. They both top 2.
There's tons of cheese for that.
Yeah. Which one you said? Which one we took?
We got especial.
Oh, that's an expensive one.
But I think they also stretch a lot of times pizza with a lot of cheese. You know what I mean? Like to make it because it's cheaper for them to produce. Let's see if my white shirt will survive the trip, you know? All that bolognese and
Before.
before and after, it's like an art project.
Look at the cheese here. Holy shit. Just melting. So they have way more options when you take ground pizza and chica pizza. So like a couple of options for the portions, 3, 6, like 9.
Because the small ones they have to produce at
And those ones, like a lot. Some grounded for 28,000. Oh man, that's a huge pizza.
So you gotta check. Olive, check.
Okay.
Paprika, check. Cheese,
Check.
100% check.
100%.
And then the rest is one, and then the rest you have to
As burner sauce.
Yes, burger sauce.
So, how is it for the top 1?
You got a lot of cheese. But taste
You got a lot of cheese, yeah?
Yeah. I can taste the paprika really well.
I can try to do it. As burner sauce. You gotta love the cheese, that's for sure. But this one is actually juicy, so not that bad.
I'm gonna go here again.
Huh?
I'm gonna go here again and wanna try out the other.
Oh yeah.
But the cheese is really tasty here.
Yeah. Like if you like cheese. If you would be Italian, you would say no. Too much. Too much.
You want a proper pizza. And I think as an Italian, the pizza has to be thinner, you know? Because this is American style. The bigger the pizza, the more American it is, basically.
Well guys, you gotta love cheese, but the pizza is tasty. Like juicy. And I put a little bit of olive oil, some spices, without as burner sauce. But it's actually pretty good. I mean, it's actually pretty nice.
I think we should make a review and ask one ourselves as well.
Let's try just a little bit because it says burner sauce. If it's actually burner. If it is, then somebody
Yeah. Somebody wants his ass to burn.
Man, if you've been to India or somewhere,
Oh yeah.
or in Asia, this ass burner sauce is like a level 0.5. It's like not even 1. It's not even spicy at all. It's just a little bit spicy ketchup, but it's not spicy. So you can... It's easy. That's a marketing. That's a marketing. Is it any spicy somewhere?
Argentinian spicy.
The Argentinian
Meaning not spicy at all.
So since it's the first pizzeria for today, you can't really say even if it's the best one or not, but like what's your opinion about the Guerin, the pizza which you took today?
I always said it was quite cheesy,
Quite cheesy.
but it was good cheese, so I don't mind it. It was
good
really
cheese.
tasty, no? I gotta say, for the amount of cheese they put in there, you would expect it would just taste bland.
It doesn't feel too much.
No, it's actually with the...
Good balance.
Yeah, good balance, yes.
Good balance of cheese, ham,
Yeah. The
bread
quality
and
of
stuff.
cheese.
Yeah. The pizza is good, tasty, juicy, nice, soft. Now, since it's the first pizzeria, cannot give a top rating, but let's say for now it stands as a top one. The next pizzeria, the second one, is Pizzeria Banchero. As the guide who were doing a little tour to us yesterday, he mentioned that Banchero is also a top 5 of the pizzeria. So like, let's say, he said top 2 actually, so we will have a look. I love that they love bikes, and the bike's pretty cool one. This one, 400.
I like Santiago.
Oh my days.
Really nice bike.
400 cc, looked amazing.
I have one XS 400 in my home.
Oh yeah, this one is way less busy. This is the place that had the
Chimichurri.
What is
I
that?
heard about the tale of apparently a guy called Jim Curry went to Patagonia or something in that
Okay.
area at least, and he introduced them to that kind of, or he made it, I don't know, something like that.
Chimichurri
And
is
since
the
people
mix
couldn't
with-
pronounce, people couldn't pronounce his name apparently correctly. That's why he
Okay.
said Chimichurri.
Chimichurri.
That's where I heard it at least about.
What? Oh, is this one? But is it not
That
the
is
mix?
chimichurri.
Is it not the mix of? Is it not the mix of those spices and olive oil together?
I'm not sure. I don't know the exact ingredients.
So I'll try fugaza con queso here.
Okay.
Fugaza con queso.
Come on, I would try.
That's it.
You try the fogasa.
Yeah.
If that's better here than the other place.
I don't know. Oh yeah, we'll see. Una porción jamón morón.
Sí.
Yeah, and una fugaza con queso.
Dos
Plus-
cervezas también.
Dos cervezas.
Hola, Jorge.
This one is complete with that. When it comes to Pizza Banchero, which is like 100 meters away, it's a 4-star rating, and even today it had a couple of 1-star ratings with people saying that they will never come ever to this place. So it's pretty odd because some people saying that it's the best pizza ever, and just the next review is like very disappointing and 1 star. It's interesting, so that makes it even more interesting. If everybody says that it's 5-star and it's the best, then it's always the best. But here it's like it's just dividing.
So either you're gonna love it or you're gonna hate it.
And it's all 23 hours ago. It's like in a day, a couple of 1-star ratings never come back, and like a few 5-star ratings. Yeah.
Elige primero la completa porque la fugaceta ahora está saliendo, ¿vale? Sale una nueva.
A poquito poquito tarde.
Yeah, looks like a speciality. Pretty
it's
much
good.
the same, but just jamon is not inside but outside, you know.
I mean, the pizza itself is way too dry compared to that. Is it? So the other pizza earlier was a bit more fluffy, a bit softer,
Yeah.
but this one seems like it was too long in the oven. Because the jamon itself is in good condition still. I mean, a little bit maybe slightly overcooked, I would say, in the oven. But the pizza itself, I don't know how to call it. It's brown or something. It's too dry. It's too
Nope.
over.
The
Just
base,
crush it.
the tissues are not really. Look at this.
I think it's a smart idea because you can use it to roll your cigarettes in case you need some, you know. Good idea. Here it is. Throw it at it.
Ahora sí, ahora sí.
It says coffee beans in the cell, something to keep in mind if you open a business. That's a good thing. I think Josh was right about the base. Feels like the base is a bit too dry. for my one as well.
It's like they put crackers as a base.
Yeah, yeah. Basically, is this one you can use as a cookie. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting experience to eat pizza basically with cheese and onion, and just onion. There's so much onion.
Every ingredient.
Okay, guys. So a quick review over the second place. Is it top one? A new top one or not?
I mean, depending on how many, we're going to 4 places, right? So it's
Yeah.
gonna be in top 3.
So we had a top one, which is Guerin right now. So now we went to the second place. Is it overtook or it's below? Or it is below on the second place again?
If you enjoy not only pizza but also want to enjoy some beers, definitely overpriced for the stuff that you get. I would say it's from 4 places, it's on place 3. Top 3.
For now, yeah, but we haven't been to another 2.
Yeah, but I would say it's not really good as the other ones, in my opinion, and we'll see how the other one goes. But my first impression is on a good one.
Pizza is alright, so it's definitely not top one. But the overpriced price kinda, I don't know, stepped me a little bit away. Because, yeah, for the beer I paid $3,500 for 1 cup, which is over $3. That's expensive for a little cup. Normally you pay, even in the bars, you pay like $2,000-3,000 for like a pint.
Yeah.
And here, $3,500 for like 0.3 little cup. Kinda overpriced. So, and yeah, and the pizza, the dough was, yeah, crunchy. A bit too crunchy, I would say. So yeah.
Napolitana y what do you want? Mesclada.
Mesclada.
Sí.
Mozzarella.
Listo.
Oh yeah. So yeah, take these 2 plates.
Huh?
Take these 2 plates. Take the chicks. You can like you can see it like if I do like that, up.
Yeah.
A little bit, maybe overshoot it. And yeah.
Maybe for someone who is drunk, you know, at night, who just has a quite a hunger, probably quite a good one.
Probably quite a good one. But you mentioned about the being.
But if you're mentally sober, you know, then I think you're gonna on a pizza.
Okay. I have your favorite olive here. First time I'm trying a fish pizza. Probably in my life, apart of shrimp, but shrimps are not fish.
You've never tried a pizza al tonno?
What fish?
Al tonno, that's with tuna.
No. A little bit burnt as well, you know, just a tiny bit.
Love it.
Huh.
Probably a lot of Italians that were watching right now, probably you just have to, you know, hold the hands over the head and just like, hi.
So the anchovies is so salty.
That is cool.
The anchovies is so salty,
Uh-huh.
and it makes the whole pizza like fishy salty. No, like a fishy. A fishy pizza. That little fucking piece of anchovies made it so fishy. I'll call this pizza a torture pizza for myself.
Huh.
This is actually a soft part. Look at this.
Oh, you got lucky, huh?
Ah.
Yeah, no, I don't have that. I'm all over burnt.
I think, guys, we have a little updated top 3. As looks like this place goes to the very bottom right now, to the 3rd one. My pizza was super salty, and because of a little piece of anchovies, it was like so salty. And yeah, burnt, dry, not a good go. Plus, I don't see any chimichurros or olive oil that can soften up the pizza. So we just gotta keep eating the dry stuff. Like Josh is still trying to finish his own piece.
It's kind of like a sawmill, you know, you gotta work yourself through.
It's so hard to cut it up. But you made it, man.
Yeah, man. There you go. Cheers. Prost.
So number 4 in our list is not actually in the town. It is in the neighborhood of Palermo and surroundings of Palermo. The name of the place is El Imperio della Pizza, which is our top 4. So you gotta drive like 20 minutes from town, but it might be worth it. let's have a look.
The one. That's the one.
That's the one, El Imperio, you see?
Huh? That's it.
Yeah, El Imperio, you see? This is the one. So,
Alright, that's close.
that's close. It looks a bit different, yeah?
Yeah, it's different approach, right?
The business looks good. It's been like 15 minutes. Keep waiting for 2
Yeah,
slices.
give or take 15 minutes.
Give it like, yeah. That's this.
But this one has egg on it, okay.
Yeah,
It's
egg.
called Primavera, spring.
Prima.
Yeah, dude, that's not warmed up. That's not warmed up.
Not warmed up,
No.
but at least it feels soft. Is it good? Or it's Primavera?
It's not because it's probably not warmed up. First,
The
the
first
we
one
went
was
to
the-
was the best one.
Yeah, out of the blue. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Because this is not, it's not like a pepperoni or something, it's like, you know, the cheap sausage. The cheap sausage which you can like, chop a little bit. The sausage that costs like 50 cents.
Esto es para comer en barra, ¿sabes? Son diferentes los precios. Es para comer parado.
Ah, solamente eso.
¿Ya?
Podemos...
Saying goodbye to this. There's a couple of points which you need to bear in mind when you go. First, you gotta spend like 20 minutes driving. Either if you go by metro or car, it's still the same. You gotta drive 20 minutes if you're not staying in the town, because it's Palermo, it's a little bit further. Second, we waited for pizza like
50 to 20 minutes again.
15
on
to
top
20
of the
minutes.
20 minutes drive.
and then after that the pizza wasn't even
Warm. Yeah.
it wasn't warm, cooked or something. It felt a little bit not a little, it just felt uncooked when we took the slice off. It felt pretty raw.
After waiting that time, you kind of expect it to be warm at least, or probably even be burned at that point. But this is the opposite. It's just cold.
And then it's not all. The other thing is we had a seat. There was plenty of seats, so you can choose like any. And the guy came to us and said like, sorry guys, you didn't order enough to have a seat, you gotta stay. You gotta be standing and waiting, or standing and eating.
He didn't even say sorry. He just said you can't sit there.
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah. Together with the attitude, it will go to the good 4th place. So we have a pretty much obvious leader, which is Guerin. So I would personally just put the Guerin on number 1 and the rest just behind. It doesn't mean that they're number 2, 3, 4. They all 3 of them have like bad sides.
If you're a tourist and going to Buenos Aires, you most likely will be in the central part, the historical part of town. And then I think by that logic, and if you just go for the pizza, go exactly like we did it. Number 1 is the one in the first place we went to. The second one would be the one where we went to afterwards. Just don't buy any beer there, and then you're gonna be fine. And after that, you know, the other ones, which I would say is not necessarily worth visiting. So yeah, that's about it, right?
That's about it. Guys, see you in the next episode. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Yeah, I see you in the next one. Bye.